Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel TechEdit Fusion. Today in this video, you can see how to check battery health of laptop. First, we need to go to command prompt, then type power cfc forward slash battery report, then press enter. You will get a URL. Simply copy it, Control C, then go to any browser and paste it. Press enter. Simply scroll up. You can see design capacity and full charge capacity. Open calculator. Then type your full charge capacity divided by design capacity. And multiply with 100. This is the battery health of my laptop, 71%. That's all about today's video. We can meet in the next video with new concept. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next videos.